Welcome to the Seesaw English Language Development Implementation tutorial. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to locate and identify Seesaw ELD's 3 built-in implementation resources. Implement Seesaw ELD with the support of the resources outlined in this video. Support your multilingual learners' language development with Seesaw ELD. Seesaw ELD lessons provide the language needed to access core content learning, while reducing the cognitive lift of language acquisition by preparing students with foundational language. Students will feel confident with the language used during core content learning because they've been exposed to this language before. And teachers will feel confident thanks to our built-in resources that will support classroom implementation. Let's jump in and explore the Seesaw ELD resources you have at your fingertips. Once logged in, click the Library button, then the ELD tile in desired grade level to access our ELD curriculum and implementation resources. On the left side of the screen, you'll find links to access our teacher guide, scope and sequence, and week at a glance. Let's check out the teacher guide and learn more. The teacher guide is a comprehensive resource that includes a collection overview, scopes and sequences, sample lesson plans for each grade level and content area, a bibliography, and an expert overview. Another teacher resource is our Week at a Glance. The Week at a Glance document is designed to provide teachers with a quick guide for implementing our ELD lessons, regardless of the format in which they are teaching language learners. Because Seesaw ELD provides flexible approaches to incorporate language development within content development, the Week at a Glance is organized by different ELD teaching models: general education teachers, ELD specialists, and co-teachers/in-class support. Another item located under Teacher Resources is our detailed scope and sequence for each content area and grade level. This resource offers an overview of our ELD lessons aligned with both English language and core content standards. Seesaw ELD lessons are designed for flexibility and do not need to be taught in a specific order. This allows teachers to customize instruction to meet the students' unique content and language objectives. Simply assign lessons based on the standards and content you're focusing on in your classroom. These examples are designed to help teachers plan to incorporate Seesaw ELD lessons into the curriculum based on the instructional schedule. Seesaw ELD lessons are intended to be taught over several days or weeks rather than completed in a single day. Each Seesaw ELD lesson includes a comprehensive lesson plan that outlines all components of the lesson, as well as tips and tricks to help you and your students get the most out of each lesson activity. Simply click any lesson tile to access the lesson plan provided. Each lesson plan includes a lesson summary featuring the lesson objective, a list of resources including handouts and supporting materials within Seesaw, instructional formats highlighting best delivery methods, teacher tips providing helpful hints and best practices for implementing the lesson, and a How to Teach breakdown for each activity that gives an in-depth description of what students are expected to do on each activity page. That brings us to the end of the Seesaw English Language Development Implementation tutorial. If you have any questions, please watch this tutorial again or visit our Help Center for additional support.